So we're going to load the camera up with a roll of Ilford Delta 400, wouldn't be anything else, and then we're going to hit the streets. Camera opens quite easily just by pulling that. I'm going to drop the film in. Pull the leader out. This is really great. Just dropping the leader in there. It really grips it really well. And away we go. Job done. I always sort of give it another half turn, make sure it's on, close it up, full turn, and then what I do is I wind the film to tighten it. Once it's tight, I wind it a couple of more times and we're ready to go. Stick the camera on lock and we're ready for action.